Welcome back, America. It's been a while since we've done a video with all the coronavirus stuff going on. We've picked up quite a few projects around the yard. I think the last thing we did on the truck, I put in a new intake manifold on it. So if you missed them, there's BG.
Hello. RG.
There goes RG. And we're going to show you this new intake manifold we put on the truck.
This is my dad's truck. So it's race red. This point Coyote.
5.0.
5.0 Coyote.
So here we go back here, if you can see it. This is the 2018 GT manifold. We got this off of oztuning.com and we bought it with the porting option. Came ported out of Arizona and got here rather quickly. So wasn't too bad to change. A few bolts on there. The hardest thing was the cables that were connected on back and attached to the manifold. That was pretty squirty to get out of there. And we also got the VMP lockouts installed on the back. So really wasn't much to it. We're running it with the oztuning Omega Tune, and I think we've noticed probably an increase in mid-range torque. So yeah, it was definitely worth it. It has also made the exhaust note a little bit lower and a little bit louder. So let's take a listen.
Whoa! Okay, I'm so loud.
Sound good. That was a cold start. Romeo, give them some rev so they can hear it. Don't press the gas pedal. Just halfway, not all the way down. Does sound better with that new intake. A lot deeper. Go ahead. Go ahead. Press it. The gas pedal, the one on the right. There you go. Halfway. Press it. The one on this side. This side. Yeah, press it halfway. Okay, so apparently RG does not know what halfway means. Got a pretty good rev on that last one. There's the truck outside. So we thought, you know, just because it's been a while, we're going to bring you guys a little bit extra and show you our AR-15. This is a 6-hour, chambered in 5.56 NATO. And we recently put these two new bad boys on there. This is a Juliet 3 magnifier, and of course you got your Romeo 5 red dot. And you can buy these separate, or as we did,
Oh my God.
you can buy them together.
Oh my God.
And you're going to save, I guess, depending on where you find it, anywhere from 100 to 300 bucks when you buy them as a set. So there you go, chambers clear, no mag. So we just thought we'd share that with you. Just a little extra since it's been a while since we've been online. OD green, it came greened out like this. I bought these Picatinny covers right here. These OD green ones separate. The pistol grip here, and of course the mag. That's the mag pull we got online, OD green.
Same thing.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed. That was a good rev we got out of the truck, so have a good one.
Bye. Bye, guys.